Welcome to our kitchen, adventures from Philippines and Bosnia.
Hey guys, good morning. Today we are going to cook fried rice from Bingu. So we'll be using my super magical rice cooker from Timu. And today, because it's a special day, we will try and open our 5 kilogram rice. Alright, now we're going to rinse it. It's extremely cold here in Bosnia. I'll just do it like this and just rinse it a few times so that the white part will disappear. So now we will just add, because I put 2 cups of rice, I'll put maybe 2.5 of water. So we just put it on top. Okay. Press this button for cooking. Once it turns orange, then our rice is cooked. So we'll be using 2 eggs. We'll be using garlic. If you have fresh one, that would be good. It's bieli look. This is from Bingu. And guess what? We'll be using vegeta from Bosnia. And we're gonna be using sesame oil, also from Bingu. Of course, we need oil and a little bit of soy sauce for flavor. This is also from Bingu. Our frozen shrimp. This one is also from Bingu. Let's do a little bit something on the side with the cabbage. The rest we can put in the fried rice. We'll wait for the shrimp to cook. A little bit of my garlic. Onion. The flavoring, we will add a little bit of oyster sauce. That's enough. And soy. How many? Maybe like a spoonful or a spoon and a half, just for flavor. So we will put this on the side and get ready for our fried rice. So we add a little bit oil. We will cook first our shrimp. If you ever go to Thailand, shrimp fried rice is very good in Thailand too. So we'll just put it on the side first. egg in. So normally in the Philippines we do fried rice. We do our fried rice because we don't want to waste our leftover rice the day before. So normally in the morning, whatever is left over from yesterday is what we make fried rice of. Put your rice in. And a little bit of the vegetable for taste. And we can mix it in our sugar. While we are mixing, we will also add our sesame. Okay. I think this is good and done. Ready to serve, ready to eat.